In the hustle and bustle of our modern lives, we often find ourselves swept away by the relentless current of time. We rush from one task to another, barely pausing to breathe. But what if there was a way to escape this chaotic whirlpool and embrace a lifestyle that connects us with the essence of tranquility? Welcome to our journey into the world of Zen lifestyle. Water, the embodiment of grace and adaptability, has long been a symbol of Zen living. Just as water molds itself to the shape of any vessel it finds, so does the Zen practitioner adapt to the flow of life, finding harmony in every moment. Time stands still for those present now, and here, in this peaceful haven, we learn to embrace the power of now. The sound of water flowing becomes a gentle reminder to be here, now. The art of tea, a cherished tradition in Zen culture, teaches us that every act, no matter how seemingly ordinary, can be an opportunity to cultivate mindfulness. With each sip of tea, the flavors dance on the taste buds, and the worries of the outside world fade away. Crafting a Zen garden is an art form that demands patience, precision, and an intimate understanding of nature's ebb and flow. The process is a metaphor for life itself. We cannot rush it but must allow it to unfold naturally. In Zen calligraphy, each brushstroke expresses the artist's spirit. It is not about perfection but instead embracing the beauty of imperfection. Just as the ink flows freely onto the paper, we learn to let go of our attachments and find freedom in the flow of life. In Zen calligraphy, each brushstroke expresses the artist's spirit. It is not about perfection but instead embracing the beauty of imperfection. Just as the ink flows freely onto the paper, we learn to let go of our attachments and find freedom in the flow of life. Embracing a Zen lifestyle doesn't mean escaping from the world but finding peace within us amidst the chaos. It's a journey of self-discovery, an invitation to slow down and savor every moment life offers. So, my friends, as we part ways today, I encourage you to take a deep breath, let go of your worries, and embrace the Zen lifestyle, a path that leads to harmony, mindfulness, and a deeper connection to the world around us.